talk about some of the other important decisions taken by the Cabinet today. The Cabinet has approved an alternative mechanism for the creation and launch of a new exchange-traded fund. Sapna joins us now to explain the significance of this decision. Sapna.
Well, this has been a budget announcement, but what was probably expected was the announcement of the new ETF basket. Well, that has not happened, but instead the Cabinet has taken the important decision of, handing over this decision-making to the alternative investment mechanism, that is the alternative mechanism that is already in place in terms of divestment through the ETF mode. So the new ETF will be created, but that decision as to what will be the basket, the kind of stocks, what will the valuation, what will the net asset value, for divestment through ETF, the companies, the timing, everything, all of that will be decided by the alternative mechanism. Of course, that's headed by the Union Finance Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley, also has Mr. Nitin Gadkari. In terms of who could be the other, ministers as part of this alternative mechanism for the ETF particularly, well, we have been told by government officials that any of the companies falling under any of the ministries which are part of the ETF basket, wherever their divestment happens on that front, those ministers will be part of the AM. Having said that, two very critical things. One, they are saying that up to 51%, I mean, the government shareholding will continue to remain at 51% in all CPECs. But they have also said that as and how the public sector insurance companies get listed, further divestment in that can also happen through the ETF route. Other important public sector financial institutions which are already listed, for example, IFC has listed. So does it indicate that possibly some stake sale the government may be interested in through the ETF route? That's a question right now. And of course, interestingly, public sector banks, because they are the ones who are in need of immediate capital. And this is something the government has been talking about, that, why don't you try and tap the markets and try and raise resources there, rather than just waiting for the recapitalization of the government. Of course, government will provide that money, but this is also an important thing. So this new ETF is going to be big, very important. Let's wait and watch and see when the first meeting of the AM happens.